Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ivona and today we are doing a foam roller release for the inner thighs. So if you tend to have a lot of pain around the groin or even the lower back, or if you have pain around the knee, this class is gonna be really beneficial for you. So you're gonna need a foam roller and your mat, and let's begin. So you're gonna place the roller sideways like this, and you're gonna bring your leg over it like so. Ideally, you want to get your knee in line with the hip joint, but if your leg is too tight, you can always have your knee a little bit below the hip. So what you're just going to start to do is you're going to roll the roller up towards your groin and then back down towards the knee joint. And then again, you're going to go nice and slow. You're going to breathe deeply. And make sure your tummy is engaged, so belly button lifting up towards the spine. So you go nice and slow just to warm up the tissue. And then maybe you start to feel, oh, there's a little bit of a tension around the groin area. So if you find it tight there, just gonna hold it there and breathe. So for me, it's definitely the inner groin that's very tight. So just gonna hold, breathe deeply into your belly. If you find that there is more tension around the knee joint, you're just going to hold and breathe there. So just take a couple of deep breaths. Let's do one more breath. Good. And then bring that knee a little bit higher up just to challenge yourself a little bit more and do the same thing. So you're just going to roll up and down, massaging those inner thigh. And then where you feel the tension, so now in this position it's more around my lower part of the leg. So I'm just going to hold it there and breathe. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Good. One more breath. Good. And then release. Grab your roller just for a second and then stretch the arms forward to release the tension from the upper body. Let's take one more breath. And then slowly come up. And let's switch sides. So I'm going to turn around so you can see me. Leg over the roller, foot is off the floor, and then just rolling up and down, nice and slow. And if you're not very flexible in your hips and you can't get the knee as high as mine is, don't worry about it, the knee can be just down there, yeah? As long as you feel like a massage in your thigh, on your inner thigh. And make sure you're breathing deeply. And then when you feel tension, again for me, it's more the upper thigh where I feel the tension. So just going to hold it there and breathe. Shoulders away from the ears. One more breath. Good, and then lift the knee a little bit higher. And then again, just massage it. Going up and down slowly. And then where you feel tension, that's where you're going to pause and breathe into it. So here it's again more of my lower part of the leg. Now this can be very painful, so be gentle with yourself. Make sure you're breathing, you're not holding the pain in. Good, one more breath. And then let's release. Good, and then one more time, just take a child's pose, just to release the tension from the upper body. Good, hopefully you're feeling the nice release in your inner thighs. Good, let me show you another stretch that you can do. So we're going to do a frog stretch. So I'm just gonna turn the mat around like this. And your knees are going to be super wide. Feet turn out to the side, and you're gonna be on your forearms. You're gonna relax your shoulders. And then all you're gonna do here is just breathe. So nice, long, slow, deep breaths. And then if you want to, you can start rocking your body forward and backwards. Breathing deeply. Inhale to come forward. Exhale to come back. And one more. Good, and then you're gonna place your hands underneath your shoulders, walk your knees in. Good, I'm gonna move this again. And then just come onto the hands and your knees and just do cat and cow. So just arch your back, look forward, and then exhale, round your spine. Do that twice more. Inhale, arch your back, and exhale to round. Good, and then find a tabletop position. Stretch the right leg out to the side. Foot is nice and flat against the floor and the toes are pointing forward. And we're going to do a little bit of mobility. So as you inhale, you go back as far as you can go, but making sure this leg staying straight. And then exhale to come forward. And inhale, you go back. And exhale to come forward. Let's do two more. Inhale. And exhale. We got a last one. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Switch leg. I'm going to switch side so you can see me. So leg extends out to the side, foot in line with the hip, and your toes are pointing towards your hands. And then inhale, we go back as far as you can. And exhale to come forward. So one leg might feel tighter than the other. For me, it's this leg feels much tighter. And that's totally normal. Unfortunately, we're not completely symmetrical beings. Good, we're gonna do two more. And last one. Good, and then back to the center and then release and just roll the wrist. Change direction. Good guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. Let me know what you think in the comments below and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Have a lovely day and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.